These are our sweetie trees or lollipop trees for Frankie Jack's birthday for his Willy Wonka. That's why we decided to go with purple. So we're going to show you how we've made these. It's a very quick tutorial. I don't go through all the plaster of Paris, but I just quickly show you how to do it, and it's very, very quick and very simple. So here is Frankie Jack and I making this. Hello, hope you're well. We wanted to show you, because obviously it's the build up to Frankie Jack's birthday party, so we wanted to show you some of the stuff that we're doing for for his birthday party. I don't agree with that. I don't know whether you agreed with what was the story? It was Princess Charlotte, wasn't it, sticking her tongue out at the at all the crowds. And Kate just laughed, and I didn't think that was funny because it's rude, and you've got to teach you've got to teach them not to do that. Are you not sitting up and saying hello? I can't have you on my knee because you're hurting me. Boo boo. Hello. Right, we have made a fabulous tree, as you have already seen. Move to one side so I can show the tree. So we've made a sweetie tree, and this is going to go on Frankie Jack's. So just that's the bottom of it. Hang on, we'll just show you all of it. And then, no, sit down. So that is the bottom, and that is the top. So we're going to show you how easy we put this together. So this is a actual plant pot. As you can hear, it's probably ceramic. However, you don't need to go for something like that. B&M at the moment sell pails this colour, you know, the little pail pots, which I've got another tutorial that I'm doing. Then all I've done is I've got a dowel. So that's a wooden stick, and I've wrapped it all the way around, covering absolutely everything with a like lime green ribbon. But I'd already done that because I made these. Once you've made them, they're there. So you can use them year after year. So the first time, so he's 5 this year, the first time I made this was for his christening. So that's how long I've had these for. So his christening was this sort of limey greeny colour, because I did kind of a jungle theme. And then it's a polystyrene ball on top, which I'm going to show you here. So it's a polystyrene ball, can you see? And then you've got, we're going to do that in a moment. So you can see all the holes in it, and then you can see the plaster of Paris that I've put in there, plaster of Paris to secure. So very, 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 very simple and how to make. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up. It's lovely to have you on board. And we're going to show you how we're going to finish off this tree to look like this finished tree. So I'm just going to try and lower you so we can show you as we go on, and I'm in a difficult situation here, and I probably would have been better to film actually round by oh look, that's another lollipop. hang on, that's another lollipop. There's loads of sweets on that table now getting ready, but that's another lollipop I'm going to do a tutorial for. That's just a plain lollipop. You can't actually, it just looks like a huge giant lollipop, and it's actually the centerpieces of the table. But I'll just not turn you around, but bend you over so then you can see what we're doing right now. So here goes. This is how we do it. So we've already put the plaster of Paris, you've already put the dowel in, you've already put the ribbon round it. Now you're going to start putting the sweets in. So what we do is we get tissue paper, because we're doing, could you pass me that other piece of tissue paper? You need to show what you've just done. No, you need to explain. You can't just show. What have you done?
Cut the piece of paper up
into a
square. Then I've put the paper,
the lolly,
on the stick of the lolly.
That's it.
And then it's gone up through there.
And then
you put it.
How are you going to put it? Hang on, let's bend it back so we can see what we're doing. And then you're going to
put it in here. Oh, that's hard.
No, that's easy.
I found another one.
But you've got to put one in that hole anyway, so don't squash too much. Let Mummy do it then.
I can do it.
No, you don't need to do it that much.
Oh, that's so hard. That's rubbish.
It is a bit difficult, actually. It shouldn't be difficult. You're right, it is difficult. Oh, that one go in. I say don't look it. You don't want to push them right the way down, and you put this tissue paper around because you don't need to put as many lollies, but also what it means is that you're not as close and you don't have so many white gaps either. So this is just normal tissue paper that you can get sort of for 99p, whether it's for Poundland, etc. You need your skizzers, or scissors as I call them, and then I got all these lollipops. It's called the Tuck Shop, 200 lollies. It says 5p each, but they weren't. I got them from Booker's, and that's what I ended up doing. So we're just going to finish that off, and then what I did is I filled this in with tissue paper, and then I put lollies around here as well. So let's finish. I don't know whether this is a great angle. I need to do it on the bigger table really, but I've started, so I'll finish. So we'll just finish this lolly, and then you'll see it in all its glory. It's so simple to do. Could you pass me some of that tissue paper, please?
Look.
Take a full piece of this, and then I'll just scrunch into the bottom like this. Careful not to scrunch too much. And then can we get some lollies in the bottom of there?
I tried.
Oh dear. What do you say? And then we put some lollies around the base, and that's ready for the kids to eat.
Too. Delete the lollies on the bottom. The kids can take them out, can't they, Mummy? They hold on to it and then take them out. Hold like this. Show you. Hold like this. Take your hand. Yeah. Pull them out. You squash it and pull them. Got him. Squash it and then pull them.
Yeah. Hang on.
Good on.
Oh. Right. Let's move to the set. Let's not get silly.
I've got one of these left.
So thank you for joining us to know how we do our trees for Frankie Jack's birthday party. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. That's a lighting cable for me. Please don't give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Please press that subscribe button. It means the world. And if you love it, share it with friends and family as well. I'll see you later.